Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. English grade 8th. Unit number 5. This is the second lecture. In the first lecture we have completed the reading of the poem The Dance Awake. This poem is written by Otulilian Bohannan. Dear students, पिछले लेक्चर में हमारी रीडिंग विद ट्रांसलेशन कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. उसमें हमने डिफरेंट पोएटिक टेक्निक्स भी डिस्कस किए. Dear student, what is the theme of this poem? This poem has a very strong theme. This shows the struggle for freedom by African Americans, how they faced the hardships and difficulties, and because of their strong determination and sacrifices, finally they would be able to get their freedom. Okay, now we are going to start our paraphrase. What is paraphrase? In poem, we have to write the stanza into prose form, and writing the poet word in your own words is called paraphrase. Stanza number first is: The dance awake, a flash of similar flame and fire, ignites the east, then higher, higher, or all the sky so grey full on, the torch of gold is born. Okay, we have discussed the meanings in the previous, and now we are going to paraphrasing this stanza. How would we paraphrase it? In this stanza, the poet is talking about the hardships that the African American faced, okay, for getting freedom. He says that after a long period of slavery, finally everyone will be able to fully enjoy the nice day, the day of freedom, and the sky had been dark and gloomy for a long period, but lastly the light of sun is visible. Okay, the freedom for struggle by African Americans, the main focus is this. In stanza number 2, the dance awake, the dawn of thousand dreams and thrills, and music singing in the hills, a pine of eternal spring, voices the new awakening. And how would you paraphrase it? New morning of freedom has arrived. The dance awake, new morning of freedom has arrived. It is the morning where thousands of our dreams have become peaceful. And it is the morning where thousands of our dreams have turned into reality. And the dream for freedom is not only the dream for one person. There is a music and harmony in the hills, and song of victory is being sung, which shows our lasting happiness and joy. Victory. Victory, the word which is used in the poem for victory is the pine of eternal spring, and the song of victory being sung, which shows our lasting happiness and joy. Stanza number 3 is: The dance awake, whispers of pent-up harmonies, unexpressive harmonies with the mingled fragrance of the trees, mixed of fragrance of the trees, and faint snatches of half-forgotten song, fathers, tone and numb. The boon of light we carved, awaited long, has come, has come. The boon of light we carved, awaited long, has come, has come. This line shows that we struggled for the freedom, and finally we will be able to get that freedom. लास्ट वाली 2 लाइनें जो है वो उनकी फ्रीडम जो है हासिल करने के लिए जो है वो यूज़ हुई हैं. This morning of freedom speaks of unexpressive harmonies having mixed with the sweet songs of the trees. Okay, this morning of freedom यानी कि जब वो आज़ादी हासिल करने जा रहे थे, ये unexpressive harmonies having mixed with the sweet songs of the trees. It also shows of our forefathers' struggle. It also shows the struggle of our forefathers who have died in the struggle for freedom and become senseless. Father, tones and numb. ठीक है, ये लाइन इसको शो कर रही है. This is the blessing that we wish to have for such a long time, and finally it has arrived that we have got our freedom. Okay, dear student, your homework is you have to write down this paraphrase on your neat copies. Write it down in a very clear and neat writing, and complete your homework task. Before this, you have given the homework task for writing the different poetic techniques on your neat copy. Okay, thank you so much.